Close your eyes for a second. Imagine the taste of a fresh strawberry, the sound of your favorite song, the smell of rain. Senses are your reality. But what if they started to fade? We're going to stop that. Welcome to Levitas. We treat our five senses like they're permanent. But the truth is, they are incredibly vulnerable to our daily habits and the environments we live in. So, I have a question for you. Which of your five senses do you value the most, and why? Let me know in the comments below, and please take a moment to like the video. It's a free way to support the channel. Tip number 1. First, let's talk about your windows to the world, your vision. Most of us know the basics, like wearing sunglasses to block UV light. But the biggest modern threat is internal, oxidative stress. This is the day-to-day damage that builds up from blue light, environmental toxins, and just the process of aging. This is where nutrition becomes non-negotiable, and we have incredible data on this. The landmark age-related eye disease study 2, published in 2013, gave us a powerful formula. It found that a specific combination of antioxidants could significantly slow the progression of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. What were they? The stars of the show are lutein and zeaxanthin. These are compounds found in dark leafy greens like kale and spinach, as well as yellow and orange vegetables. They act like internal sunglasses, filtering out high-energy blue light before it can damage your retina. The study also highlighted the protective power of vitamin C, vitamin E, and zinc. So, protecting your eyes isn't just about what you do on the outside. It's about armoring them from the inside out with a nutrient-dense diet. And a practical tip for our digital lives? Use the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes you're staring at a screen, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This relaxes your eye muscles and helps reduce digital eye strain. Tip number 2. Now, from what we see to what we hear. Hearing loss is often seen as an inevitable part of aging, but in most cases, it's a result of an preventable injury. The main culprit is noise-induced hearing loss. And it's not just a single, loud explosion. The more common danger is prolonged exposure. This includes listening to music or podcasts through headphones at high volume for too long. But here's the connection most people miss. Your hearing is deeply tied to your cardiovascular health. Your inner ear, the cochlea, is a delicate and intricate structure filled with tiny hair cells that translate vibrations into nerve signals. Those cells need a rich, steady supply of oxygenated blood to function. If your circulation is poor, those cells get damaged and die. And unlike other cells, they do not grow back. This is backed by fantastic research. A 2019 study led by Dr. Kurhan and published in the American Journal of Epidemiology followed thousands of people and looked at their diets. They found that people who closely followed healthy eating patterns, like the healthy Keto, Mediterranean diet, or the DASH diet, had a significantly lower risk of developing hearing loss. Because these diets are proven to improve blood pressure, lower inflammation, and support healthy blood vessels. So, the same diet that protects your heart is directly protecting those delicate cells in your ears. Tip number 3. Let's move to our most underrated sense, smell. We often dismiss it until it's gone. Your sense of smell isn't just for pleasure, it's a primary warning system. It alerts you to spoiled food, a gas leak, or a fire. The biggest threats? Viral infections, head trauma, and, you guessed it, cigarettes. Cigarettes are devastating to your sense of smell. They directly bombard and damage the delicate olfactory nerve endings in your nasal passages. The good news is that this sense can be trained. If you feel your sense of smell has faded after an illness, there's a recognized therapy for it. A 2009 study by Hummel and colleagues demonstrated the effectiveness of olfactory training. This involves actively and mindfully sniffing a set of strong, distinct scents, like rose, eucalyptus, lemon, and clove, every single day for several months. The best way to protect your sense of smell? First, if you smoke, please seek resources to quit, and second, use it. Be mindful. Actively smell your food, your coffee, the air after it rains. Engage the sense to keep it strong. Tip number 4. Now, what about taste? Taste and smell are so closely linked they are almost one sense, often called flavor. When you think you're tasting cherry or vanilla, you are primarily smelling it. But your taste buds on your tongue, which detect sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami, are their own system, and they can be damaged. A key threat is nutritional deficiency. Specifically, a lack of zinc. This isn't New Age speculation, it's established biochemistry. A 2017 review published in the journal Nutrients detailed exactly why. Your body needs zinc to produce a protein called Gustin. This protein is literally what maintains and regenerates your taste buds. When you're deficient in zinc, your taste buds don't repair themselves properly. This can lead to a blunted or distorted sense of taste, a condition called dysgeusia. To protect your taste, first, maintain excellent oral health. And second, ensure you're getting enough zinc from your diet. That means prioritizing foods like beef, legumes, pumpkin seeds, nuts, and lean meats. Tip number 5. This next one is a big one that we almost never talk about, your sense of touch, or somatosensation. This isn't just about your fingertips. It's a massive network of nerves that covers your entire body, telling you about pressure, texture, temperature, and pain. It's what allows you to feel the ground beneath your feet or hold a loved one's hand. The single greatest threat to this system is peripheral neuropathy, which is nerve damage. And the most common cause of that is unmanaged high blood sugar and poor circulation. High glucose in the blood is toxic to these delicate peripheral nerves, slowly damaging them over time, often starting in the feet and hands. But we can be proactive. The number one way to protect this vast network is movement. A 2015 study in JAMA Neurology confirmed that regular, moderate exercise is incredibly protective. Why? It does two things. It helps manage blood sugar, reducing the toxic effect on the nerves. And it dramatically improves circulation, forcing oxygen-rich blood to the tiniest capillaries in your extremities, keeping those nerves fed and healthy. Protecting your sense of touch means protecting your metabolic health. It means going for a walk, managing your blood sugar, and keeping your whole system circulating well. Tip number 6. Finally, it's critical to understand that none of these senses work alone. They are a deeply interconnected web. The easiest example is flavor. As we discussed, flavor isn't just taste. It's a multi-sensory integration, primarily of taste and smell. A 2011 review by Dr. Dana Small in Neuroscience and Biobehavioral Reviews provided a deep dive into the neural basis of this. The brain doesn't just get a smell signal and a taste signal. It binds them together in the orbitofrontal cortex to create a single, unified experience. This is why, when you have a bad cold and your nose is blocked, food tastes like cardboard. Your taste buds are working, but the smell component of flavor is missing. This interconnectedness is your greatest advantage. It means that a positive action in one area often protects the others. When you eat a heart-healthy, antioxidant-rich diet, you are protecting your smell, taste, vision, and your hearing. When you exercise to manage your blood sugar, you are also protecting your sense of touch and your overall circulation. So, here is the clinical takeaway. Protecting your 5 senses is not a passive activity. It is the active result of your daily lifestyle choices. You don't have to do everything at once, but you can see the clear pillars. First, eat an antioxidant-rich diet. The leafy greens for your eyes, the healthy fats for your ears, this isn't a coincidence. This pattern reduces the inflammation and oxidative stress that damage delicate nerves. Second, manage your exposure. Wear sunglasses. Turn your headphones down. Be mindful of the toxins you inhale. Third, move your body. What's good for your heart is good for every sense, because they all rely on healthy blood flow. And fourth, use them. Be present. Actively smell your food, listen to the world around you, and pay attention to the textures in your life. Engagement keeps the pathways strong. Watch this video suggestion, it was especially picked for you. Also share, comment, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. It helps a ton with the algorithm. Remain tuned for future videos to empower your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.